Hey everybody, this is Miss Eisencraft with Station 3, Chapter 8 review. Okay, so we're doing T distribution. So I have a T chart and I'm also going to show you how to use your calculator. Yes. Okay. What is the critical value T star for a 90% confidence interval when n equals 15? So there's two things you need to know. You need to know kind of the area you're looking for, and you need to know your degrees of freedom. So the degrees of freedom is just n minus 1, so it'll be 14. Yeah. And then you use your confidence level to determine like what number up here you're looking for, and it's like the area underneath, right? So we would have 100, really this is the idea of minus 90 is 10. Then you cut that in half for the two tails, which is 5. So that is a 0.05. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at where these intersect on our T chart. Okay, and this isn't giving a percentile. This is giving like the number of standard deviations away on the T distribution to capture 90% confidence, or to get 90% confidence. 14, 0.05, 1. Oh boy, you can't see that, huh? 14.05, 1.761 right here. C. Sure hope that's the answer. Yes, I think it is. Then, if you're like, I don't like that T chart thing, right? There is something called inverse T. Okay, so if you do second vars and you go to number 4, inverse T, oopsie daisy, the area you want is, if you do 0.05, it's going to give like the left part of the curve, and it'll just give you a negative, but it's fine. So we already used our confidence level 90, subtracted it from 100, cut it in half, and got 0.05. That's the area. Our degrees of freedom is 14. Enter, enter, enter. It's thinking 1.761. So that's just negative, and what that's doing is it's giving you this part. Okay, so this is the T distribution, right? And so it's giving you, because you're asking 0.05, it's telling you what you're either here or here. Remember, when you're doing the critical value, you ignore the positives and the negatives. So you're saying how many standard deviations are you away from the mean? All right. Next one. What is, hold on. Minor interruption. Okay. Number 2, what is the critical value T star for a 99% confidence interval when n equals 20? So degrees of freedom equals 19, and a 99% confidence interval, you're going to go 100 minus 99 is 1. Then you're going to cut 1 in half, which is 0.5. And then you're going to convert that to a decimal. It's a decimal. What? Yes, 0.005. Okay, so then you're going to look at where those two things intersect on here. 19.005, 2.861. There we are, 2.861 right there. That sucker right there. Okay, now again, if you're a fan of inverse T, second vars, inverse T, then the area, again, is going to give a negative. 0.005 degrees of freedom was 19. Enter, enter. Give it some time to think. That's what that little thing is there. 2.86. Yay. All right. Last one. What proportion of scores in a T distribution, okay, so this is kind of going backwards, are above T equals 2.447, and we have 6 degrees of freedom. So we're going to go to 6 degrees of freedom. Okay, and we're going to go to 2.447, and this is what proportion of scores are above. Now the T distribution, look, it doesn't give you the part to the left. This number gives you the amount above. So when you go to 2.447, gosh, Miss Eisencraft, okay, 6 degrees of freedom, 2.447, that is the proportion of scores above that, 0.025. All right, good times.